You want to call anyone without your number showing? You want to call anyone without revealing your number? I'll be sharing 3 ways you can do this. You can do this from your phone settings. You can do this with a code. And you can do this from Google Chrome. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. To do this from your phone settings, click on your phone icon. On the phone icon, get to the 3 dots at the top right-hand corner. The 3 dots at the top right-hand corner, click on Settings. From Settings, click on Supplementary Services or Additional Settings. Scroll down to Show Caller ID. This is the first way you can do this from your phone. The next one is to get to Google Chrome. Get to Google Chrome. Search for Globfone. Globfone. This is Globfone. Click on that. You can do video. You can share P2P file sharing. You can send SMS, free text online. You can as well call phone, free calling. So we want to call someone without showing number. Click on call. Call. Make free calls. Absolutely free. Here you will enter your name or phone number and click next. Here you will enter the phone number of the person you want to call. The phone number of the person you want to call in international format. In international format, enter the phone number of the person you want to call and click call. You can see. The next one is to use a code from your phone. Be it an iPhone or Android phone, you can use this code to hide your identity or withhold your number from showing on the cell phone of the person you are calling. To achieve this, you will dial #31#. #31# and send. #31# and send. I will choose SIM 1. Outgoing caller ID service has been disabled. With this, your caller ID won't be showing on the cell phone of the person you are calling. These are the 3 ways you can hide your ID or prevent your identity from showing on the cell phone of the person you are calling. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.